Today we're making a quick 10-minute breakfast with cabbage and eggs, cooked in a frying pan. This makes a fluffy, delicious and filling dish. Let's cook. We'll need 1 medium onion. Cut it into small cubes. We immediately move to the frying pan. Pour in 1 tablespoon of vegetable oil. Add the onion and let it soften a little. Cut about 50 grams from a large carrot, or use a small one. Grate it on a coarse grater. Add it to the onion and fry for a couple of minutes until it becomes softer. Shred 300 grams of cabbage into thin strips. If the cabbage is firm, you can gently mash it with your hands. Add it to the onion and carrot and sauté for a few minutes until it loses its firmness. Take half of a sweet bell pepper, cut it into strips and then into cubes. Add it to the cabbage and continue frying. After about 3 minutes, transfer the cabbage mixture to a deep bowl and let it cool slightly. Add 1/3 of a teaspoon of salt, or to taste, and mix. For flavor, finely chop a small bunch of dill and add it to the bowl. In a separate bowl, lightly beat 3 eggs. Pour them into the cabbage mixture and now whisk everything well with a fork until foam forms. This airy, foamy mixture will make the cabbage and eggs much fluffier. Pour 30 milliliters of vegetable oil into the pan and add the mixture, spreading it evenly over the pan. The vegetables are well balanced and don't overpower each other. The cabbage completely loses its sharpness, becoming slightly sweet and aromatic. Cover with a lid and cook for 2 minutes over medium to medium-low heat. Place any cheese on one half. I'm using processed sandwich cheese. Fold the second half over the cheese, cover with a lid, and cook for another minute until the cheese melts. As you can see, the recipe is very simple, budget-friendly, and fast. I think cabbage lovers will really appreciate it. The cabbage with eggs turns out very tender and juicy. On the outside, there's a golden, appetizing crust with a slight crispness, while inside it's soft and creamy thanks to the eggs and melted cheese. Subscribe to the channel and give the video a like. See you next time. Bye bye!